Now we go on to the scratching birds. Some birds like the hen and the peacock scratch the ground to get their food. Their feet are flat with sharp claws that help them to dig. So the birds like the hen, the peacock, they scratch on the ground and pick up the insects to worms and the insects to eat them. So they walk on the ground mostly and then go on scratching to get their food from there. So hence their feet is like are flat with sharp claws. The claws help, their feet is flat and at the end all of them have the sharp claws. These sharp claws help them to dig the ground and get the food. Now we go on to the next one, that is the wading birds. Turn to page number 25 now. The wading birds. Wading birds means the birds who can walk through the water. First is the some birds like the crane, heron, stork wade through the water in search of their fish. They have long, thin legs with toes that are spread wide. Look at this picture. You will understand from the picture now. The birds like the crane, the heron, and the stork, they walk through the water, and for that their feet is specially made. That is, they thin legs with toes which are spread on all the sides. All the 4 toes are spread on 4 different directions. Next comes the swimming bird. Some birds like the duck, swan, and the penguin, they swim in the water. They have webbed feet with skin connecting their toes. This enables them to swim easily. So, some birds like the duck, the swan, the penguin, they swim through the water. They swim across the water, and to cut through the water, their feet is webbed feet. Webbed feet means in between the toes there is a thin membrane or the thin skin connecting their toes, which increases the surface area of the feet and enables them to swim easily. The skin connecting the webbed feet increases the surface area of each feet and helps the bird to swim easily, makes it easy swimming. Lastly, we come on to the flesh-eating birds. The birds which are non-vegetarian birds, flesh-eating birds, birds like the eagle, hawk, owl, and falcon catch and eat other animals. They have sharp, hooked claws called talons, which help them to catch and carry their prey. The talons also help them to tear the flesh. So, now we go on to the birds which catch the rats, rabbits, the mouse, and so on, and eat them as their food, like the eagle, hawk, owl, falcon, etc. Their toes, how are their toes like? Their toes are sharp and hooked claws. The claws are very sharp and hooked, and they have a special name called the talons. Their name is very special, called the talons. These talons help them to catch the prey and to kill them and carry the prey from one place to another. The talons help to tear the prey. After killing the prey with the sharp claws, they tear it and they eat the flesh.